So we'll start from the front and rotate in his fashion. So we will have the first question from the front mic.
A'udhu billahi minash shaitani rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Wa alaikum assalam rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Sir, I want to reveal you some truth for which Allah has sent me, because the topic was going about Hazrat Isa, and everybody knows that Hazrat Isa alayhi salam is going to come back. I myself want to reveal something, that I myself is Imam Mahdi, and I am giving you the good news of the arrival of the Jesus Christ, be peace upon him.
You are the Mahdi?
I am just, don't laugh at me, because I am the Allah's message which I have taken, and Allah has told me that you have to go and tell, because this is the high time. This is the high time. We are not doing what we are ordered to.
I have one question for you, if you don't mind. Imam
Yes,
Mahdi is going to speak Arabic, as you know.
A'udhu billahi minash shaitani rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Ar-Rahmanir Rahim. Maliki yawmiddin. Iyyaka na'budu. Iyyaka nasta'in. Ihdinas siratal mustaqim.
Brother, this is not enough. Every one of us, even the person who's
Allah chooses
as American as it could be, who accepted Islam yesterday, and he knows how to recite the Quran, could recite what we recited. But I'm going to tell you something. When I was in the US, I had a similar call, was surprisingly also from another Mahdi, but he was American. So he told me that I'm the Mahdi. So I asked him the same question. I told him, brother, do you speak Arabic? Mahdi is going to speak Arabic. He said, fortunately, no. So brother, please, if you don't mind, I think the question that I asked you was enough. And to be honest with you, as to just save faces, there is no need for more embarrassment. So if you don't mind, you can have a seat.
I would like to tell you one more thing, because it's a big thing, that, hello, you are not listening to me?
This is question and answer time. The only reason why I let it go on a little bit longer is because I wanted to see what would happen.
I have not come here to just...
Please, if anyone does have a question,
I will sit.
we'll have the next question.
I have told my thing.